It's worse than I expected. Flowers. It's raining today. I look awful. The wind is not helping. So I'm gonna meet Miri. Can you hear me? I'm gonna meet Miri. I'm gonna meet Miri. Okay. We'll take you to a cafe. You'll see which one. Bye. It's sleeping cat. Let's go! Okay, the poles are here.
She's doing better than me.
Is it filming?
Yeah.
I didn't think.
That was the Cat Café. We're gonna link the
I'm sorry.
the
that's also
data.
Bulgarian.
Go link the data in the description.
The cafe.
The name and where to find.
Yeah, it's in Hongdae.
Yes.
It was super nice.
It's super close to the station, so like.
Yeah. And the cats are really nice.
Yeah.
So you can just like come here and pet them.
Oh, and by the way, just guess who was sitting on this exact same spot. Yeah, you're right. It was V from BTS. You've heard of them, right?
So like and subscribe. Everything, put buttons wherever you see, and
push buttons.
yeah. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.